I'm about to complete. So I find myself in school, but because I was responsible for cleaning, but also for opening the building. They would open with a fingerprint. So my father and my brothers would escort me from Najanankumbi to go take a taxi to town, because I would leave home at around 4. I have to pass with my skirts and whatever, then come at 6, open the building. Wow. I did that from 2005 to 2007, where I got a promotion in IDI. So for me, some of these things are very personal and emotional. Yes.
This is amazing. You know how somebody starts a life as a cleaner, and here she is. What does this show us? It shows that you should never undermine any kind of work that we get, because we don't know at what point that your breakthrough will come. And starting at the age of 19, myself, I started at the age, the same years actually when I started my own work. I've realized that before 25, this is a critical time and very important time for us. And of course, without forgetting the family values. Because if your family didn't have those values of making sure you're a girl who has been brought up humble, not despising anything, and making sure that you are able to move. See, it's Mr. Patel, who is an Indian, and the white man as well, who brought you up because you had that character of seeking and making sure that you're able to go through. Even learn, and at a young age. But I will tell you that we find families who really have put their children at a certain level of class.
Oh, yes.
And they forget that these children have to go through the gestation period, whether you accept it or not. Because you'll not go with your son in marriage. You'll not go into the job with them.
No.
I will tell you something interesting. One time I was doing interviews from my workplace, and I was looking for, senior 6 leavers to come and work. And among these children we're interviewing, would ask him, how much do you want to earn? One of them says, no, if I cannot get 500,000 Uganda shillings, I will not be able to work. We said, are you sure? He said, yes. And many of these children say they cannot work because they are not paid enough. The money is too little for them. Then they feel that you're using them. I call it in quotes that you're using them.
That's their word.
But you forget that if I bring you in, I'm trying to see your potential. Probably I have somewhere I would want to fit someone, but I want you to go through the process.
Yes.
And I want to show you in the current times here in Uganda, it's very difficult now.
Extremely.
And this takes us to the children who never went to school, actually are getting more chances because they come in and they are planted in a humble way, like as you did, and they're able to thrive. I learn a lot from you because there's something the public has really how to pick. And I'm very humbled that you're able to share genuinely. Guys, and for information, we're doing our podcast at Naria Motel.